The Myfochi 12 sets cast iron skillet offers a fantastic way to serve individual portions. Each set includes a mini oval cast iron dish. It also has a wooden base for easy handling. These little skillets are great for fajitas and other sizzling dishes. The size is about 8.7 by 4.7 by 1.6 inches. This makes them perfect for single servings at the center of the table. The Myfochi 12 sets cast iron skillet is made from durable cast iron. This material helps to distribute heat evenly. It keeps your food warm for a longer time. The wooden base protects your table from the hot skillet. You can use these for baking and roasting too. Imagine individual pies or roasted vegetables. The possibilities show the versatility of this cookware. Overall, the Myfochi 12 sets cast iron skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It is perfect for restaurants and home use. The set of 12 is ideal for gatherings. They add a special touch to your meals. While instructions might vary, cast iron generally needs proper care, often involving oils. This set brings a little bit of the restaurant experience to your country home. And its simple design follows the motto of functional elegance. Pros: cast iron, wooden base, fajita bowls, oval dish, serving tray, sizzling plate, baking use. Roasting use, kitchen use, restaurant use. Cons: wooden base can burn, heavy to handle. Cast iron takes time to heat up, can get very hot, uneven heating possible, pre-seasoning might be thin. Rough surface reported, hand wash only. Features: set of 12 cast iron, wooden base, mini size, fajita bowls, oval dish, serving tray. Sizzling plate, for baking, for roasting. This Myfochi set has 12 mini cast iron skillets with wooden bases. Each skillet is oval shaped, like a small dish, and can be used for cooking and serving single portions of dishes like fajitas. Because they are made of cast iron, they get very hot and are great for making food sizzle. You can use these pans for baking and roasting in the oven. 2. The wooden bases help protect your table from the heat. These small pans are good for individual servings in your kitchen or restaurant. This Myfochi set has 12 small cast iron pans with wooden bases. Good for serving hot foods like fajitas in kitchens or restaurants. The cast iron gets very hot and takes time to heat up, possibly with uneven heating, and needs to be hand washed. The wooden bases can burn if they get too hot, and the cast iron is heavy and might have a rough surface or thin pre-seasoning. These oval dishes can be used for baking and roasting, and the set works as a serving tray. But you need to be careful due to the heat and weight.